Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add an accordion to your Shopify theme. Accordions are great for organizing content like FAQs or product details, while keeping your pages clean and easy to navigate. Let's walk through it together. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. From there, we just need to click Online Store on the left side of the screen. Next, we will click Edit Theme for the theme we are currently using. At the top, we will scroll down and open the drop-down for Products. Now, we need to click Products and select the default product. If you have a custom product template, just select that one instead. From here, we just need to click Add Blocks. Then click Collapse Symbol Row, or Accordions, depending on your theme. As we can see, the accordion has now been added. We can customize it by using check marks or editing the raw content. We can edit the raw content directly from the page, select an existing page, or create a new one. It is completely up to you. We can also edit the labels, like the submenu name, and adjust the settings to match our preferences. Once we are happy with everything, we just need to click Save. And that is how we add an accordion to our Shopify theme. It is a simple way to keep content organized and improve the experience for our customers.